Hey guys, this is James with AutOdometer, and today I have a pair of rubber mats here that came out of my 1997 Chevy Lumina, and I haven't cleaned them in a while, and some mold has actually started to grow here in the middle of one of the mats. So what we're going to do here is use some super clean degreaser, just straight out of the bottle, full strength, and then we're going to clean it up with one of my drill brush attachments that I just purchased, and we'll show you the results from the before and after. So hopefully you enjoy the transformation, and then once we're all done, then we'll protect it with some 303 protectant. To be able to loosen up the dirt before we add the super clean degreaser, I just rinse it off with some water. Now I upgraded from my regular just manual brush from Chemical Guys, and I bought a drill attachment here. Now the one problem about this is that the battery can die pretty quickly depending on how big of an area that you want to brush. Like if you want to do the interior of your car carpets, having a drill brush might not be the way to go, but at least for these mats it was definitely pretty fun cleaning these mats up with this carpet drill brush here. And that basically wraps it up. I'll just show you a quick shot here of what it looks like after we applied the 303 protectant, and the results are pretty drastic. They are pretty old floor mats, so there is a little bit of dullness to them, but they do look pretty good, and I'm going to be putting them in my Sequoia. So if you guys enjoyed that and I deserved it, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and thanks for watching.